welcome back to another episode of Pit Boss Griddles Backyard Bosses. I'm Kara from Scale & Taylor, and today we're going to run through the complete process on how to brine, smoke, and carve your whole turkey. And you can expect a few dance moves along the way. Pit Boss Griddles has this amazing Pitmaster turkey bucket kit that comes with absolutely everything you need to brine your turkey. So it comes with this bucket, it comes with a prep kit, and it comes with apple blend pellets, which pairs perfectly with turkey. Now in this box comes full instructions, ingredients and instructions. It comes with the brine, it comes with the dry rub, as well as the big bag you're gonna submerge it in. Combine the brine blend with 4 cups of water in a large pot and bring it to a boil for about 5 minutes. You're gonna add 1 gallon of cold water to your bag/bucket, and once you add everything together, you will submerge your turkey within it, place it in your refrigerator to brine. It's a one-stop shop to make sure your turkey is absolutely juicy and moist. So let's get started. We're gonna fire up our Pit Boss Griddles Competition Series Titan. We're gonna be using apple pellets to pair with this turkey because the sweet notes of apple sure does pair so nicely with turkey. All right, so let's get started. Let's get messy. We have had this turkey brining for 24 hours in the fridge. I just love this big bucket because you don't have to worry about spillages in your fridge at all. But what we want to do is remove it from the brine and then pat it real dry. Now let's dry off this turkey. We're just going to completely dry off the turkey. When I say you're going to need a lot of paper towel, you're going to. There's the neck and the giblets inside, so you do want to remove those. Looks to me, sometimes the giblets are hidden at the top. You never really know. So the next step is to prepare the turkey. You want to get these wings, potty in the house, potty in the house. You want to tuck them underneath themselves. I do this. You can also just cover them with tin foil, but these wings will definitely crisp up if you don't tuck them way before the bird even cooks. So I just take the wing and simply tuck it underneath of itself. And not only does this help prevent them from burning, but it also helps prop it nice and up and looks all pretty. Here we go. We're going to use a mayo binder to coat this chicken. And if you've never used a mayo binder, it really does render so nicely. I do it on chicken almost every time I smoke chicken. So that's why I figured this would just be so perfect. And if you really are looking for that crispy skin, well, this is how you're going to get it. And in that box with the turkey bucket kit comes with the turkey rub that you need to make it super easy. All right, so our grill is preheated to 275 and we're gonna place our bird right directly on the grill grates. What's so great about the Pitmaster Turkey Bucket Kit from Pit Boss Griddles is that it comes with complete instructions on how to smoke your whole turkey. Take the guesswork out of it. It says here to preheat to 275, and we're gonna smoke until an internal temperature of 165 degrees. All right, so I actually wrapped it up in a towel to really give it a good rest. Let's plate this. Well, here it is in all its glory. We've reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees. and you can smell how delicious it is, how crispy the skin is, and we're gonna teach you how to properly carve a turkey. All you need is a sharp knife. You really don't even need multiple knives. This trimming knife by Boss Griddles will do just the trick to remove the legs from it. So if you can see right here, it's kind of trussed together, so we're gonna break that apart. Kind of slice it down the middle here. And this is called scoring. Bending it down so you can kind of see where you're going. And what you're looking for is to find that joint. Which, did you see that? I just found it. The joint is right here. Sometimes you gotta pull away from it. I don't even think I'm gonna need a knife for this one because it came off so easy. Beautiful. Now we're gonna separate the drum and the thigh. Just go and remove the drumstick. So now we're just gonna run our knife down one side and the other side of this turkey thigh. Remove the bone from the thigh. And this is your dark meat that you're working with here. And don't throw away your bones because you can make a yummy soup with them. And I'm just gonna slice it up and place it on our board. Next, we're going to remove the wing. Now, if you notice there's a little nodule here, we're gonna leave this because if you remove it, then when you're carving the breast, it'll be unbalanced and harder to cook. Again, should be very simple to remove the wing tip. And here you have part of your wing. Also, dark meat. So we're going to slice the very top of the bird along the spine. This just helps us guide our way because what we're trying to do is remove the breast. It's right on this side. Remove the breast, but kind of guide your knife because you really want as much as that breast to come off as you possibly can. As much as we possibly can. So work your way down the breast bone. Oh my goodness. Juicy, look at the juice. So you kind of want to cut against the grain here. Okay, I just have to take a quick bite. So juicy, so delicious. Just gonna cut, I like to cut thicker slices because when you do that, the moisture stays in, especially within the breast, making it more juicy, not drawing out as it's waiting for guests to pick up and put on their plates. Beautiful sliced breast here that we're gonna place right in the middle. And this is how you carve a turkey. I want to thank you for sticking around another episode of Boss Griddles Backyard Bosses. If we're not already friends yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to hear from you down below what you thought. I'm Kara from Scale & Tailor, and this was how to brine, smoke, and carve a turkey. Oh, so juicy. And somehow I didn't get any stains on my shirt.